Ready? Are we filming?
Yes.
Okay,
Chloe's light is blocking everything.
This is Michelle, and with world's most precious niece and nephew. We have heard stories of the wild, vicious
here we go.
pygmy bear that lives within the suburbs of Pseudo Country, Texas. We're going to investigate. It's New Year's Eve. It's dark. It's scary. We've already heard weird sounds. We're gonna go park it in the middle of the haunted woods and see what happens.
It smells like good gas.
Okay. Sis, I don't think we should go any further.
This is very perfect project.
Sis,
I feel very haunted.
sis, I don't think we should go any further. What was that?
It's a wild dog.
No, it's from the backyard.
The focus gets really messed up. Okay. What was that?
I think have we mentioned to the audience that there's gators in this neck of the woods, and that's true. We're not making that up.
Not cool, dude.
And we can hear them coming.
Okay.
Found a clearing.
And we found some
And I-
spiders too.
Okay.
I think we I'm so scared.
I'm scared too.
Okay.
Oh God, I heard something.
We're in the
I heard something.
we're in the middle of the path, and it's life or death decision now. There are spider webs and spiders. We are in danger.
Chloe, point your head that way. I did hear something.
Wait.
Oh my God. What is it?
I see shadows!
Stop. Come on, we gotta go back.
Let's go this way.
No, Connor, seriously, I'm leaving.
No, you can't go that way.
Boo! Stop it! Let's go out the back way and walk through the neighborhood. Go! Wait, what the heck was that? Chloe, no!
Come back.
Okay,
You don't want anyone to call 911.
okay, fine.
We heard something in there. We really did.
It was terrifying.
And it
Now let's go. Let's go.
We can't go back.
We're not going back. All right.
We are.
No, we're not. I'm not going back
we're
in
gonna
there.
go through the neighborhood. I'm not going back through there.
That hurts my paw. I heard no. I think so.
Okay, what? We're out. That
I'm
was
terrified.
terrifying.
Yes, it was a
Connor, were
terrifying
you
moment.
scared?
Yeah,
I know that we were
We
acting
heard
silly,
something
but we
rustling
really
in the
heard
bushes.
something
There,
rustling.
there was really something in the bushes.
Alligators.
My guess is that it was a bull alligator looking for a mate.
I think it was a bear because I heard
Thank-
I saw.
Okay, thank God. Thank God we're alive and we're
I saw
heading
a
home.
shaking tree and I heard something drop.
I heard the shaking tree.
Happy New Year. 2011 is going to be a great year. 11's a very lucky number.
Happy New Year.